Hello everybody and welcome to this video. Today I want to present you the Z Mini. Basically it's a stereoscopic camera that allows you, if you merge it with the Oculus and the backpack, to do crazy project. So this video is just telling about the research and the result I have done. Basically it's stereoscopic rendering, and as you can see, if you cross your eyes, it's crazy, it's precise, you can really feel the object, touch it, have a feeling of reality. You can feel your hand, you can do crazy stuff like serving you a tea, you know, the hot stuff, and the precision is so good that I'm trusting that. It's based on the stereoscopic image and it gives you a 3D model in real time that is not based on infrared, so you can scan outside, you can scan 3D model that is metal one, so it's perfect to scan any object. So I was wondering, can I scan a shoes or a small object? And yes, it does, but mainly it will scan your room. So my second question was, okay, can I scan a room and in how many time? And as you can see, it's kind of perfect for scanning a room because it takes less than a minute and you have the shape, the volume and the 3D mesh at the end. You can record it with the texture if you want, you can record it raw if you want, and you can choose the precision if you want centimeter or 20 centimeter. So for example, for this chair it was a bit better than the small objects. You have the shape, you have the texture, all you need to be able to do a 3D model of it. So I did try another small object to check if it is me who is scanning badly. But as you can see, yeah, it's perfect to scan just the ID of the object, but I don't think I will be able to scan a small object with this kind of device. Maybe, we'll try. My other try was to scan myself because I really want to be able to scan the size of a guy in a quick manner, or at least to be able to scan the body and animate it, but it was a fail again. But I think it's just a matter of time for this one because it's perfect. So I was like, okay, I will try to scan outside to see the distance I can scan, and as you can see, I have a bike. And if you wonder, am I crazy? No, I'm not, because indeed it's a stereoscopic camera, and so what you don't understand is that when you are on the bike with this kind of camera, you really are on the bike like in reality. So I feel the depth, I feel the distance, and it's impossible for me to fall off the bike. As you can see, it's kind of crazy the perfection you can have, because here I did ask the scanning to be 20 centimeter, and as you can see I can scan a street in less than 2 minutes. Just walking in the street and bam, I have the 3D model of it. So during my test I did try a lot of objects like my bike, like the wall and stuff like this, and it worked each time good, but not good enough to do a 3D model of it, so you really need to edit it. The good part is that you can scan, just watch some object and record the environment and then ask to do the 3D rendering when you are back home. For example, here I did record just the church and a guy, and at the home I was doing the 3D model. As you can see, it's worked kind of better than my first test with the guy, but he was moving and so the 3D model is kind of screwed, but yeah, it worked well. So people have interest, they ask a lot of questions about it, and they are not afraid of you running in the street with a bike and a lot of equipment on your face. I suppose that they are used to Google Earth, you know? So here is the model in Unity of the 3D scan. As you can see, it's kind of good for the time I scan, because 10 seconds scanning, yeah? And as you can see for the road, the scan is kind of super cool because the 3D model is not totally completed, but at least the proportion and the measurement are perfect, because there is a mixed reality positional tracking that is working really well. Also I meet some people on the road, and as you can see they were a bit surprised. Nani? And so yeah, I will try a lot of experiments like doing the dishes and playing VR and doing crazy stuff. So don't hesitate to ask questions, to participate, to propose me some experiments you would like me to try with the equipment, and ask any question in the commentary. I will be glad. And so yeah, have a nice day, feel free to contact me, and I will see you later. Bye! If you want to be aware of what I'm doing and the news, don't hesitate to become a Patreon and stay crazy, please. Stay crazy.